guys. Welcome again to my channel IT friends. Today we will learn how to install Docker Toolbox in Windows 10 in 2 steps. When you are in need of Docker, what you will do? You will go to Google Chrome. Search for Docker Desktop for Windows. You will download the .exe file. And will install it in your PC. And damn. It says, you cannot install it, because you do not have Windows 10 Pro. Now what you will do? The solution is to install Docker Toolbox. We will see step-by-step procedure to install Docker Toolbox. For that, open Google Chrome and type Docker Toolbox for Windows and hit enter. Go to the first link on the page. Now see here. By installing Docker Toolbox, you will get Docker Client for Windows, Docker Toolbox Management Tool and ISO file for VirtualBox. Oracle VM VirtualBox. I recommend you to install VirtualBox separately. We have one video for how to install VirtualBox in Windows 10. And finally Git for your Windows. Now click on Toolbox Releases and download the Toolbox exe file. Open Download folder and double-click on Toolbox file. Click Run. Click Next. Again, click Next. Here you will see list of softwares that is going to be installed in your PC. I have VirtualBox, so I am unchecking it. And click on Next. And click on Install. And click on Finish. For next step, check out my video on how to run Docker Toolbox